Spring break, spring break. Woohoo! We'll go outside now with baby. We'll buy something for lunch. We will have typical Filipino dish for lunch. I am from the southern part of the Philippines originally in Mindanao. Malawi sa Bangka del Sur is my hometown. And we used to have lauoy. Lauoy Bisaya. I'll pair it with fish. It's a pair. Lauoy Bisaya and pinaritong isda.
Honey, 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 honey.
And with me is my little girl. Let's buy some groceries, okay? Spring, it's currently spring here.
Balcony with blue chairs.
Okay, get inside now. Then buckle up. The weather is good. It's springtime in Dubai. Done. Buckle up, okay? And look at how dusty is. It's very dirty.
The name of our car is Dusty because he's always dusty.
That's why. It's because of the rain for the past days. It's been raining in Dubai and now it's sunny Dubai. And I was telling to buy, oh, let's take this one, 25% off ferry. It's only 9 dirhams. So I'll get this.
Honey, 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 honey.
They have galunggong. Oh, they don't have galunggong. This one was that?
Still open, but they are dead.
It's good that you don't feel
Fine. A little bit
It's good that you don't
a
feel
little bit
you.
not nice.
Yeah?
And cold.
This is salmon and this one. These are sea bream, your favorite.
Yeah.
Sea bream. That's it.
It's fine.
Let's go.
We still have lemonade.
Okay. Go inside now. Buckle up.
So,
Are you
now,
buckled up, Yana?
of course.
Okay, let's go. Going now?
Yeah. Okay, so we're already going home and we forgot to buy Gatorade, but that's still fine. Okay,
What? You
now,
forgot to buy what?
Gatorade.
You wanted to have Gatorade?
Yeah,
Oh, we'll have it next time.
it's fine because we still have lemonade.
5 minutes later.
Close the door, please. They know it's us.
Oopsie.
Alright, so we're done with grocery shopping. So we're now in the kitchen and preparing our typical Filipino southern dish. Alright. now that it's boiling. Put on the kalabasa. Let's keep it boiling for like, let's say 1 or 2 minutes. The first batch of the pindarito is now ready. Crispy fried fish. I now have the sausawan. It has toyo, kamatis, just tomatoes, and spring onions, sibuyas, and suka. Cooking for me is not a challenge. I love cooking because I love eating also. But the challenge now is with my kids. I'm not sure if the kids will like my Bisayang soup. It's a Bisaya soup. It's called Bisayang lauoy. It's a vegetable soup actually, but I hope they will. With a little convincing also that they have to eat because it's nutritious. Next is beans, string beans, and eggplant. Stir a little. Right. Putting now the kamatis, spring onions. Should add. And this one, patis or fish sauce. So I'll just put this one. These are the shredded fried fish. And last but not least, this secret ingredient. It's not actually secret. All you Filipinos out there know what it is. It has MSG. Yes. Before I thought MSG was bad. Baby, here is we're having the traditional southern Philippine dish, Bisayang lauoy, pritong isda, and bugnaong calamansi juice. Lauoy is very good for detox. So I'm editing the video now. It's good that the kids like the Bisayang lauoy. I'm glad they liked it. If you're in Dubai, you can buy all those ingredients from any supermarkets. Right, so that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Help us reach 1K subs. Daghang salamat.